Hello everybody. So today is in regards to tracking our goals. In many cases it happens that with this very beginning of this year we commit ourselves to many things that we want to do, we want to accomplish. It happens that in many cases we end up not doing some things, right? So one of those things happens to me that it was like, okay, I want to learn German, or I want to make something to happen. And in order to make these things happen, I just create a little application that will make a track on those things that I can actually count, like saying, consider an income or outcome. So the whole idea is just a little application that will help you chasing your dreams. So I hope you get there and enjoy the application. It's going to be for free, no ads, no nothing. It's going to be just it's just going to be there in the store. Maybe in the future it's going to have some sort of subscription for certain cool things, but no, it's not going to have any commercial purpose at the moment. So all the best and enjoy. So this is the application. You can see that here you can create the goal. I will create something that says learn German, and I'm going to measure it in hours. I want to make 1,000 hours, for example. Then go to the progress, and I can choose this goal. Create very first income, which is going to be 1 hour of today that I study German. And then you can see the progress that I'm doing today. You can see progress accumulated or progress by period. But as you can see here, I don't have enough information. You can see in simple line or bars. If I change it to holidays, you can see that I'm saving money for holidays at some point. So I'm just trying to see how is the amount per period or accumulated. That's it. Enjoy the application. Have a very good day. I hope you enjoyed the video of today. If you did so, just give it a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. You're going to get more applications and more things in regards to technology. So have a good day.